Coinbase and eToro, two giants in the world of crypto trading. But when it comes down to it, which one really delivers? On one side, we have Coinbase, the global powerhouse with a reputation for simplicity. On the other, eToro, the innovative platform bringing social trading to the crypto scene. We're taking both for a spin, comparing what actually matters, security, fees, features, ease of use, community tools, and more. Let's cut through the hype and break it down for real users. Every category scores points, so by the end, you'll see a clear head-to-head winner. And trust me, the outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's how we're going to break down this comparison. We'll look at fees, security, the variety of assets you can trade, their community and social features, ease of use, and, regulation and trust. Don't worry, I'll flag the stuff that really stands out for each. Let's dive in. First up, fees. Let's start with the big one that everyone cares about, fees. So, Coinbase is pretty upfront about their pricing. No smoke and mirrors here, but honestly, the standard trading fees on regular buys and sells, they're higher than a lot of people expect. eToro, though, actually undercuts Coinbase in a few areas, offering lower commissions on trading and even zero commission stock trading in certain regions, which, let's be real, is kind of awesome. The flip side, eToro can hit you with a higher spread on crypto, and there are those little withdrawal fees that sneak up on you. But in this category, eToro just edges out Coinbase for most users. Now, on to security. Maybe the most important thing if you sleep with one eye open about your crypto. Coinbase, look, this is their home turf. They're regulated everywhere they operate, have insurance for digital assets, and their security track record is honestly rock solid. There are some custodial risks, like with any exchange, but overall, they inspire a lot of trust. eToro is regulated too, offers segregated funds, two-factor authentication, the works. But there's always a but, right? They haven't been in crypto as long as Coinbase, and there've been a couple headlines about fines in different countries. Still secure, but Coinbase really pulls ahead here. Let's talk asset variety. This is where the plot kinda twists. Coinbase sticks to crypto, and yep, they offer a nice broad lineup of coins and tokens, but don't expect to find stocks or anything traditional. eToro, on the other hand, is like a buffet crypto. Stocks, ETFs, commodities, you name it. And here's something cool. You get copy trading across all those assets. Some crypto options might be limited by where you live, but honestly, eToro is just running laps around Coinbase in this category. Hang on, here's something you might not know. eToro was actually one of the first platforms ever to let you copy other traders automatically. Wild, right? Social investing before social. Everything was even a thing. Now, if you're all about community and that social trading buzz, this one's no contest. Coinbase keeps it business as usual, solid support, but nada in terms of social or copy trading. eToro built its whole rep around being the social trading platform. You can follow investors, star the ones you like, and literally copy what the top dogs are doing. It's fun, and sometimes a bit hyped, but if you want to feel like you're a part of something, eToro is made for you. Ease of use? This is a bit of a toss-up. Coinbase? Super clean, super easy, whether on mobile or desktop. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who hates feeling overwhelmed by too many buttons. The downside is, if you're wanting super advanced trading tools, well, you might find it a bit simple. eToro has a feature-packed app and desktop experience, plus the copy trading is all right there, just a few clicks away. But honestly, the interface can get crazy busy if you're new. Some people feel a bit lost with all the flashing lights. Still, if we're talking about simplicity and first-timer friendliness, Coinbase just takes it. Alright, last but not least, regulation and trust. So here's the deal. Both of these are heavyweights for compliance. Coinbase is licensed, insured, and even publicly traded on NASDAQ, so you'd have to work hard to find a more above-board exchange in the US. But most of their features are still US-focused. eToro is licensed all over the place, especially in Europe, and they've been in fintech for ages. They do hit some legal roadblocks depending on your region, though. On this one, I'd honestly call it a draw. They're both putting up a solid wall of trust. Just to recap, if you look at everything lined up together, fees, security, asset variety, community vibes, ease of use, regulation, you really see what each is playing for. eToro is all about variety and community, while Coinbase is the king of easy, safe, pure crypto trading. So what's the verdict? If you're totally new or just want something dead simple for buying crypto, Coinbase is excellent. But if you want to, dip your toes into stocks, copy top traders, or just crave more options, eToro actually has more to offer overall, especially if you're looking beyond just Bitcoin. I'd call eToro the overall winner here, but it depends on where you want to go. Was this comparison helpful? Stick around and follow us, because we've got more matchups coming your way and you do not want to miss the next